Spatial practices directly shape the lived experiences of individuals within the built environment. The organisation of space influence how people navigate, interact, and engage with their surroundings daily. These practices extend beyond physical layouts, encompassing the social, cultural, and emotional dimensions of human existence. By examining spatial practices, we gain insights into how individuals appropriate and contribute into the meaning of spaces, ultimately influencing the quality of everyday life. Understanding these practices is essential for architects seeking to create environments that respond to the diverse needs and experiences of users. Michel de Certeau's The Practice of Everyday Life and Helen Liggett's and David Perry's Spatial Practices are key texts for exploring the relationship between spatial practices and architecture. De Certeau's work introduces concepts like strategies and tactics to understand how individuals navigate daily life, while Liggett and Perry's book delves into the social, cultural, and political dimensions of spatial practices. Together, these texts provide foundational insights into how spatial practices influence architectural design and shape individuals' experiences within built environments. These spatial practices go beyond usual spatial rules, actively involving individuals' real-life experiences. This approach disrupts standard design ideas, focusing on being inclusive and responsive. Architects using critical spatial practices prioritize questioning power structures and cultural assumptions in design. The aim is to make dynamic, fair spaces that consider different needs and perspectives, creating a meaningful connection between people and their surroundings. De Certeau's idea of tactics in architecture pertains to how people creatively navigate and adapt spaces. It involves subtle ways individuals use and modify built environments to meet their needs. For example, rearranging furniture or finding alternative paths within a building demonstrates a form of personalization within structured spaces. This concept highlights users' active engagement and enriches our understanding of how architecture is experienced in everyday life. Architects can apply De Certeau's theories to design spaces that prioritize user needs and adapt to various practices. In public spaces like parks, observing how people arrange seating for socializing informs designs with flexible seating options. In workplaces, recognizing how individuals personalize their workstations can lead to design supporting individual expression. Responsive solutions may include multifunctioning spaces adaptable to diverse activities. Encouraging user participation ensures the final design resonates with the community's needs. This approach fosters a sense of ownership and tailors spaces practically to everyday demands. Additionally, De Certeau's contextual sensitivity guides architects to create inclusive designs that respect cultural, social, and historical aspects of specific locations. Incorporating these principles allows architects to craft dynamic environments responsive to diverse user practices.